What if I told you that there is a way to invest for retirement and not have to pay a penny in taxes once you reach retirement age? That's right, there's a retirement account where your money can grow tax-free, allowing you to keep every dollar you've earned. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? That's the power of a Roth IRA, and in this video we're going to dive into what a Roth IRA is and why so many experts believe it's essential for a secure financial future. Even if retirement seems distant, opening a Roth IRA today could be one of the best decisions you can make to build long-term wealth. Hi, I'm Greg Hardy, and if you're new here, this channel is all about personal finance basics, practical tips, and insights that can help guide you towards financial freedom. This is the stuff I wish I was taught and knew about when I was at a younger age. And by the end of this video, you're going to have the knowledge to change the financial course of your life. So sit back, relax, and watch this video all the way through. But first, if you're into growing your wealth and just making overall smarter financial decisions, I ask that you hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. It really helps this channel to grow, and it will also help get this information out to more people. Now let's get started. A Roth IRA is a retirement account that allows your after-tax money to grow tax-free. So that means that all the growth and withdrawals that you make in retirement are tax-free. So if you put money into a Roth IRA now, you don't ever have to worry about paying taxes on it later. This can be a huge benefit, especially if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket once you retire. One of the best parts about a Roth IRA is that it gives you more control over your money. Unlike a 401k or even a traditional IRA, which may have taxes on withdrawals in retirement, a Roth IRA lets you take out your earnings without any extra taxes or penalties after age 59 and a half. Plus, you can even withdraw the money that you originally put in, which is your contributions, at any time without penalties. This makes a Roth IRA both a flexible and powerful way to save. A Roth IRA can be especially helpful for younger people or anyone that's in a lower tax bracket now. Since you're paying taxes on your contributions at today's rate, over time, as your investment grows, you don't have to worry about future taxes eating into your nest egg. It's a way to lock in today's tax rates and give yourself a little more certainty for tomorrow. Even if you're just getting started with retirement planning, opening a Roth IRA now can make a big difference down the road. You can visit your favorite brokerage site like Schwab, Fidelity, or Vanguard, just to name a few. By starting early, you give your money more time to grow, which can lead to even greater tax-free gains over the years. So whether you're looking for tax-free income in retirement or just a smart way to save, a Roth IRA is one of the best tools in your financial toolbox. A Roth IRA and a traditional IRA are both retirement accounts, but they handle taxes very differently. Like I mentioned earlier, with a Roth IRA, you pay your taxes on the money you contribute now. So when it's time to retire, you get to take out your money completely tax-free. Think of it like you're paying your tax bill up front so that you won't owe anything on your earnings later. Now, on the other hand, a traditional IRA works the opposite way. You don't pay taxes on the money you put in right now, which can help lower your tax bill today. But when you start taking money out in retirement, you're going to pay taxes on it as regular income. This is called tax-deferred growth since you're delaying those taxes until later. The choice between a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA often comes down to when you'd rather pay your taxes. If you expect to be in a higher tax bracket in the future, a Roth IRA can be a smart choice because you're locking in today's tax rates. However, if you'd rather lower your tax bill now and expect to be in a lower tax bracket in retirement, a traditional IRA might be better for you. Both accounts have their advantages, but the Roth IRA's tax-free withdrawals can give you more certainty in retirement. It's nice to know that you won't owe any taxes on what you've saved, especially after years of growth. Tax-free growth is one of the biggest benefits of a Roth IRA, and it can make a huge difference over time. When you invest in a Roth IRA, any money your return earns grows without being taxed along the way. This means you won't have to pay any taxes as your account balance increases year after year, which can help you build wealth much faster. Now, one of the main reasons tax-free growth is so powerful is because of compounding returns. Now, compounding is when the returns you earn start to generate their own returns, causing your investments to grow even faster. With a Roth IRA, this compounding happens without taxes chipping away at your growth each year. Instead, all the earnings stay in your account, allowing compounding to have an even bigger impact. Over the long term, tax-free growth and compounding can add up to a lot more money in retirement. It's like getting a boost to your savings without any extra effort. By the time you retire, a Roth IRA could leave you with much more than a taxable account would, simply because you're getting to keep everything that you earned. One of the unique benefits of a Roth IRA is the flexibility that it gives you with your contributions. Now, unlike many other retirement accounts, you can withdraw the money that you put into your Roth IRA at any time without penalties or taxes. This makes a Roth IRA a pretty smart choice not only for retirement savings, but also as a potential backup in case of emergencies. Here's how it works. Since you've already paid taxes on your contributions, the IRS lets you take that money back out whenever you need it, no questions asked. Just keep in mind, though, that this only applies to the money that you've contributed, not the earnings your account has gained. Any investment growth has to stay in the account until retirement age, or else it may come with some pretty sharp penalties. This flexibility can give you some peace of mind knowing that your Roth IRA could provide extra funds in a pinch. Of course, ideally, you want to keep that money in there to grow for retirement. But it is reassuring to know that if you ever ran into an unexpected expense, you have a safety net without penalty fees. A Roth IRA can be a great choice for many people, but it's especially valuable for younger people, those in lower tax brackets, and anyone wanting tax-free income in retirement. Since Roth IRA contributions are made with these after-tax dollars, you're locking in today's tax rate. This can be a smart move for people, especially young people, or those just starting their careers, who may be in a lower tax bracket now than they will be later on in life. For young investors, a Roth IRA also offers the advantage of years of tax-free growth. By starting early, you'll give your money more time to grow, which can make a big difference in retirement. Over the decades, all that growth stays in the account untouched by taxes, helping build a larger retirement fund. It's also a great option for anyone looking to have tax-free income in retirement. With a Roth IRA, all qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free, which means you won't have to worry about taxes reducing your income when you're no longer working. This can provide extra security and more predictability for your retirement years. Make sure to pay attention to what I'm about to say here. A Roth IRA isn't the investment, it's just the account that holds the investment. What I mean by that is that once you open a Roth IRA, you have to, number one, fund the account, and number two, you have to invest the money into an investment of your choice. If you just put your money into a Roth IRA but don't invest it, it's just going to sit there and do nothing for you. So let's go over how much you can contribute to a Roth IRA. In 2025, an individual under age 50 can contribute up to $7,000 to a Roth IRA. And if you're age 50 or older, you're eligible for the catch-up contribution, which allows you to contribute an extra $1,000 to your Roth. However, your ability to contribute to a Roth IRA depends on your income. Also in 2025, the maximum income limit to contribute to a Roth IRA for single filers and heads of households is $164,999. If you earn between $150,000 and $164,999, your contribution limit is gradually reduced. This reduction is called a phase-out, which means your allowed contribution amount decreases as your income approaches the upper limits. For married couples filing jointly, the income cap is $246,000, with phase-outs beginning at $236,000. As your income gets closer to the $246,000, the amount you can contribute to a Roth IRA is reduced until it reaches zero. You can withdraw the money you placed into your Roth IRA with no penalty at any age, but not the earnings. Let me explain. At age 59 and a half, you can withdraw both contributions and earnings with no penalty, provided that your Roth IRA has been open for at least 5 tax years. A withdrawal of Roth IRA earnings before you reach age 59 and a half is generally subject to income taxes and a 10% penalty. Also, one thing to note is that the IRS updates the Roth IRA contribution amount every year to account for inflation and other changes, so chances are as you get older, the contribution amount will also increase, giving you an even greater chance to make more money. Back when the Roth IRA began, the contribution limit was $2,000. By 2008, it was $5,000. By 2019, it was $6,000, and currently it is $7,000. And remember, if you're over 50, there's an extra catch-up contribution limit of $1,000. So chances are 20, 30, even 40 years from now, contribution amounts will be much higher than they are right now. A Roth IRA is more than just a retirement account. It's a way to build financial security while keeping more of what you earn. With tax-free growth and flexible withdrawals, it offers a unique benefit that can help you reach your financial goals. Whether you're just starting out or you're well into your career, Opening a Roth IRA now can set you up for a strong financial future. Adding a Roth IRA to your retirement plan isn't just about saving money, it's about gaining options. Having both tax-free and tax-deferred accounts gives you more control over how you'll access your funds when you retire. This kind of flexibility is valuable because it allows you to adjust to future tax rates and manage your income in a way that works best for you. Incorporating a Roth IRA alongside other retirement accounts provides more options for drawing income in a tax-efficient way. This kind of tax diversification helps you adapt to future tax rates and gives you greater confidence that your income needs can be met regardless of changes in tax laws or in your personal finances. If you haven't yet opened a Roth IRA, take some time and do it. It's worth considering. The benefits of tax-free growth and retirement income can make a big difference down the line. No matter where you are in your financial journey, a Roth IRA can be a smart move towards securing a comfortable and stable retirement. If you want to learn more about growing your wealth, then check out this video right here. But before you do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video and that you got something out of it. I'll see you in the next one.